going on, guys? Justin from FLIPZCO here. I just pulled up to my boy John's house. John is a kid that I've known for a really long time. Super cool kid. The homie hit me up, congratulated me, swung by the shop the other night, basically told me that he had this surprise. He needed to get this thing out of his shed, and he was just kind of like, yo, I need to get rid of this thing ASAP. I don't want anything for it. I just needed it out. I was gonna scrap it. If you want it, let me know. And that's why we're here. Oh boy, it is freezing. Oh yeah, it snowed yesterday, so that's why everything's all white. Yo, what's up, buddy? What's going on? What's your Instagram, bro?
Belinsky.
I told him a little something that you had the crazy Zero cars in Kearney.
Yeah.
So what do you got building now?
Right now I'm building an E92 M3. Probably gonna be supercharging it, bagging it, half cage, wheels, some basic stuff. Nothing special.
Nothing crazy?
Nothing crazy.
Nothing like CODY's?
I mean, maybe later on, you never know. You never know.
All right, so let my subscribers know what's going on.
I had a bike that I was gonna scrap. I had no use for it. I hit up Justin. Justin wanted it. Needs a couple of things to do. Right now, it does not run. So needs a couple things. I haven't ran this thing probably in 3 years.
So it's blown up.
It's not blown up. It's not. What you can say? I mean, all the fans. All the fans saying it's for free right now.
All right, shake on it.
Shaking on
all
it
right,
right now.
All right, I appreciate it so much, more than you know. I'm telling you right now. Unveil what's going on right now.
You ready?
Yeah. What do we got? What do we got?
Already coming on. Already coming on.
He didn't keep this outside, by the way. It was in that shed, and he just took it out. So don't be hating on him, all right? He actually takes care of this thing. So go over it. What do you got on it? What do you got into it?
I did a Password JDM stretch kit, the Password JDM, the lowered bars. I did a lowered front suspension, put HIDs on it, some exhaust. I don't even know what it was on it. Other than that, and I lowered C, and that was really it.
And this thing isn't gonna kill me, right?
It's not gonna kill you, believe me. I've done probably 45, 50 in this thing coming down the hill, and I was fine.
Okay.
I'm a big dude.
So, as you guys know, I have a million builds right now. I have the 240, I have the Subaru, I have the freaking Cafe Racer, and now we have the Ruckus. So, I've always wanted one, John, and you're like making dreams come true right now. So, I'm so happy. I'm gonna have to give you a bunch of FLIPZCO shirts. You're gonna have to swing by the shop. There's still compression in it. It wants to run. I think it probably needs a battery and some other stuff, so it should be good, right?
Yep.
All right, sounds good, man. I appreciate it. Let's get this thing loaded. I'm gonna need your help.
All right, I got you. All right. That's not an issue. Watch it start up.
Oh yeah, bump start.
You sure you want to do this alone?
Let's go. Oh, easy as good.
Like a glove. You need a hand?
I don't know what I'm doing. I've never rode a bike before. I never rode a scooter before.
Pretty sure.
So we got the Ruckus loaded up right now. We got a Kearney cop right now behind us. So you took the whole thing off?
Right there. You just took that off, and it's just straight pipe. Right there.
I'm not straight piping it. Look at all the rust, dude. It's a Honda. It should be rust.
It's a Honda.
I can't thank John enough for this awesome opportunity. We got a Ruckus. We got a moving lawnmower.
Moving lawnmower. That's what exactly it is.
We got a 2-wheel lawnmower, and we're gonna try and get it running today. Hopefully, maybe. Will it run?
Gotta find out, but I'm sure it will.
Cool. I'm just hoping this thing runs. I literally just pulled the air filter off, and it disintegrated in my hand. I would have showed you, but holding a camera and then ripping a dirty air filter. So as is, I really don't like how this is coming off. This whole fairing in a way is popping off. So we're gonna take this bolt out. Oh wow, I can literally just unscrew it with my hand. That's great. Yeesh. Holy shit. Look at all this, definitely not cool. we're definitely running into problems with this thing for sure. Probably just gonna end up taking this whole battery out, to be honest, because this looks like a mess, and there's wires, just a bunch of dirt, grime, the whole nine. I'm really hoping this thing fires right up and I don't have a problem with it, but it's not looking too great right now. So we're heading to AutoZone right now. The battery that we had was completely shot. Wasn't holding in charge, wasn't even trying to charge. So we are going to the local AutoZone right down the street. If they don't have it, Home Depot should have it. Hey, since I'm going there, I might as well get some oil, get a couple of other things that we could put into the bike, and then hopefully get the little scoot running. If not, we're probably gonna have to spend a little bit more time. I would assume that the carburetor is all shot up in there, so we're gonna try and get some carb clean. We're gonna try and get some brake clean. Free is never free. There's no such thing as free, and when you do get something for free, you might as well just end up redoing everything. I'm just praying that we could get it started today, because that would be awesome. Okay. New battery, 90 bucks. Oil, 5 bucks. So total right now is $95 on the build. Not too pumped about it. Not too pumped at all. We're gonna hope and pray that this works, because if it doesn't, we got electrical issues and I don't want to deal with it.
Is it broken?
It did something like that.
Oh wait, those lights are working. Were not working before?
Whoa!
We did something.
Whoa, we got lights!
We fucking did something.
I like how it snaps. Hey! Alright, so we're making progress. Right? Right, Monica?
Oh, a little bit. Okay.
Yo, everybody check out Monica's outfit.
Oh, wow,
Where is you going? It's 40 degrees outside. Aren't you cold? Look at your belly button. You're like a belly button. Oh. Yo, what are you finding all this type of junk?
Yeah, like.
Oh shit.
Whose man's owned this? Like, so gross.
I mean, Bacon rode it when he was 16 and never rode it again.
Fucking disgusting.
Is it?
Yes.
It's like a booty hole.
What?
Freaking.
Hey, peanut gallery, chill out.
Can't curse, dude. Yo, dildo
Alright,
bag.
the Ruckus? I think Justin's an idiot. I really don't know. Doesn't run, doesn't drive. It blinks for something that has blinkers.
I think it was a terrible idea now.
Oh.
Now I think it's a terrible idea.
So I guess it runs?
Yeah?
This is like the first time.
There we go, we're in.
I had no idea what I'm doing, and it actually worked out. Not bad at the start of the build series, right? What do you think, Monica?
I think it's fantastic. You did a great job. How do you feel, Justin?
I feel accomplished. Sucks we're gonna sell it. PZ's buying it, we're just throwing it right in the minivan.
I pulled up with Snoogin now, to the jail. Rock them might need to it down, could take your pay. I got me a new Dale, ain't nothing bad except the chair. So tell me, shorty, baby, who the real? Who the real? Shorty, who the real fit? She talk about the best now, got me rather stressed out. I been with them hooligans, they too legit. I'm rockin' with them hooligans, they move the rest. You knew that, you were there, my drink of 40, got the backdrop bouncing. I been in the mountains, got that money counting. I got money for you, baby girl, that money bagging. I knew you since back when. Why you think you had to boot up with that ice?
Guys, so we got a free ruckus. Cody, should we sell it?
Wow, he actually waved. His name is Marcos with an S. But yeah, we got the ruckus running. I don't know how. Don't ask me for any tutorials because I really don't know how. First build thread, pretty happy. Got the bike running. Bacon said it hasn't ridden in 5 years.
Wow.
I think we're gonna teach Monica how to ride this tomorrow or Sunday, whenever she's back from AC. Down? Bring your elbow
I'm
pads.
down.
Elbow pads.
Knee
helmet.
pads, everything.
Oh, dude, this thing did gnarly burnouts though.
Yeah.
But
Woo!
thank you guys for watching the video. Cody, you wanna sign out for once?
All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe,
Hit the notification bell.
and we'll catch you on the next one.